Not having the best skin day, but we're going to give this video a go. So yeah, you can tell from the title of the video what this is. These have been quite popular, so thought I'd give it a go.
First thing I'm going to do for this Perrie Edwards makeup look is moisturize my face to get a nice base to work with.
I'm using my In Transit camera, oh my god, camera close up, which is a mask, moisturiser and primer in one. It's really, I got it in, I think I got it in my advent calendar for Christmas. I can't remember, but it's a really good moisturiser and primer, so please ignore these. They are awful, especially this one. I don't even know how this one happened.
For foundation, I'm going to be using this one by MAC. This one is called the Pro.
Instead of using that one, I'm going to be using my NARS Sheer Glow foundation, but I've also I have got the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, which is in the same shade as her foundation, so I can always top it up a little bit. There's really not much left of this. I don't know if I'm going to have to get different foundation. My beauty blender as well, so. But this is a really good foundation, like, look.
And for concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and the color Fair Neutral.
Obviously, I just said the MAC Pro Concealer instead, which is the shade NW15. I'm going to put a little bit more on, and then...
Damn, I'm trying to step away from using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but after using the Shape Tape for so long and then stepping back to another one, it's just such a disappointment. Like, nothing in my eyes can compare to Shape Tape at this moment.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
To prevent it from creasing. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin.
It's my Stay Matte Rimmel one, because it's, I know this one's pretty good anyway. I do want to do more makeup videos though, because it means I can buy more makeup. So they're done with the brows. They're not very good, I have to admit.
I'm going to prime to make this look last all day long. And this is my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. The first color I'm going to go in with is by the Morphe 35 OM palette. And this color is going into my crease. Softly going to focus.
Okay, it looks like she's using this one from the tutorial, so this is the one you can't use. This one is the one I'm going to be using first, like her.
Don't be afraid to go high up in that crease. If you have a lot of space to work with, use it. Now hopping over to...
How the fuck did she do that? I'm sorry. Okay,
for more definition, but softer definition in the crease. So we're just continuing defining that crease. We just don't want the color to be as dark and intense on this outer portion here. We want the focus to go. Now with the darkest color of the palette, I'm going to define that inner crease even more. So we're creating a cut crease definition here. And although we haven't
that's something.
Really, once we go in with the lid color and really go against that line, it will look as if we had a cut crease going on all this time. Hopping over to the Morphe 35 Shimmer palette and taking the very lightest color to cut the lid. And you'll see by me going right up against that line of the crease, it will give you that cut crease illusion.
I need time.
And continue blinding that lid using that same shade.
Right, so I've got a little black pencil eyeliner because I don't actually own any cream eyeliner. So let's just
and then taking the darkest color from the crease again from the Morphe 35OM palette and smoking it out. And then we're also winging that out slightly.
I don't know how much slightly is because she hasn't actually shown. Let's just blend it because you know you can never go wrong with a bit of blending, can you?
For my wing today, I'm first lining out using the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen in Deeper. And smoke out the outer corner of that liner and kind of wing it out as well. So that is exactly what we're doing. And with the pencil brush, I'm softly smoking that out little by little until it becomes this like beautiful haze. See, sort of like.
I'll use my Morphe Sunset Boulevard Lash
Compact Deluxe Contouring Powder.
I don't have those contour powders, but I have got one which is a very similar shade, and this is the Bahama Mama one.
Oh, I honestly want to look so pinched and so cinched and so pulled together. So we're looking pretty damn pulled together. Now to really bronze up my face, I'm going to go in with another one of those powders, but this is number 2. And this is a lot more bronzy, a lot more warm, and this is perfect for light skin tones to really bronze with. So from the contour, I'm using this as a blush, but coming from the contour. So it's like a warm. Oh yeah, baby. Here we're going, baby. Oh, baby, no stopping now. No going back now. We're blinding. Okay.
So instead of using that one, I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Bombshell. I feel like it didn't go too badly. I just put I put 2 black dots instead of 2 black stars just under my eyes, and yeah. But yeah, it was a cool video to film actually. If you liked me following someone else's tutorial, then let me know in the comments, and I will see if I can do some more stuff like this. It gives me ideas for my own makeup as well, so yeah. But I will see you all next time.